To our parents, thank you for your trust, encouragement, and sacrifices. And to our teachers who have been the guiding lights of this institution, I offer my sincere appreciations to you all. Dear graduates, as this is the 19th pass-out batch and the second state graduation celebration batch of Diamond, today we proudly celebrate you. This year, as in many before, our students not only have achieved consistently excellent results, but with 4 GPA in SC and with 3.96 GPA in SLC, last year board examinations, securing top positions at the district, provincial, and national levels. Beyond academics, you have made us proud in music and dance, sports, arts, leadership, community services, and innovation projects. You have proven that excellence is not only measured in grades, but also in character, creativity, and contribution. Behind every shining graduate, there is a family and a team of teachers. Parents, your sacrifices, encouragement, and sleepless nights are the foundation of your children's success. Teachers, your dedication, patience, and tireless mentorship have shaped these young minds into bright leaders. Let us all applaud them with gratitude. Diamond Secondary School is not just a school. It is a legacy of excellence. Over the past 47 years, we have produced more than 500 engineers, 300 doctors, 30 plus chartered accountants, hundreds of college professors, and many high-ranking government officials, bankers, entrepreneurs, and social leaders. Our proud alumni today stand as the living proof of what a diamond education means. Wherever they go, they carry the name of this institution with honor and dignity. This is the continuity of excellence we promise every year. Dear graduates, as we step up into the wider world, remember, life will not always be smooth. There will be storms of challenges, but they will make your roots stronger. Let me share a short story. Once, a butterfly struggling to come out from its cocoon, feeling pity, trying many times to come out, and once the butterfly came out easily, but its wings were weak, tried to fly, but dropped down many times, and after many trials, it could fly. Felt happy and relaxed. The struggle, which seemed painful, was actually nature's way of giving strength to its wings. Dear graduates, this is life's truth. Without challenges, we cannot grow strong. Without struggle, we cannot fly. As the Nepali proverb says, "Dukha binako sukha sambhav chhaina." There is no happiness without struggle. Your education is not complete with certificates alone. True success lies in your honesty, empathy, and services. The world needs not only brilliant doctors, engineers, or bankers, but also compassionate human beings. Always remember, be proud of your success, but never forget to serve your community and your nation. The world you are stepping into is fast changing, full of technology, innovation, and global opportunities. Be lifelong learners, be creative thinkers, and be problem solvers. But also be rooted in your culture, values, and love for family, society, and your country, Nepal. Wherever life takes you, remember that your knowledge and success become truly meaningful when you give back to your family, your community, and your country. Dear graduates, as you move forward, carry the diamond spirit of excellence. May you shine in every walk of life. Life, like the diamond that is shaped through pressure, it sparkles forever. As Roosevelt said, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. So dream big, work hard, stay humble, and always remain grateful. On behalf of Diamond Secondary School, I wish you courage, wisdom, and boundless success. Congratulations, dear graduates. The world is waiting for your brilliance. Thank you.
Thank you.